Yo. Fucking raining in Marston, storm. Our streets flooded. I'll show you something, Buzzy. Do you have you ever had this shit in your town? Your motherfucking eels. Look at this shit. Eels in the fucking gutter. Cheap feed. You see that one over there? Trying to cross the road. This cunt looks like he's fucked. He's still alive or what, cuz? Go, swim away. That's the one. Go down that way where all the other homeboys are. Yeah. Yeah, my iPhone's getting all weird and shit. Look at this shit. Eels on the motherfucking road. See? Eels in the gutter, only in Masterton. Eel rescue. Oh, it's alright. SPCA's here now to rescue the eels. Oh, is he going back in? He ain't staying here. The other one come back down? Oh, he was him or down there. Must have swum back down. Oh, yeah. This is in our motherfucking gutter. He was everywhere.